Hey guys, creative psychology here.
The Shape Builder tool is one of the most important tools in Adobe Illustrator, which is used to create several figures from overlapping shapes. In the next 5 minutes, you will master the usage of Shape Builder tool. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Throughout this video, I'll be assuming that you know how to draw basic shapes in Adobe Illustrator.
That is,
how to use the pen tool, the direct selection tool, and the selection tool. First, you need to understand that there are 4 modes in the Shape Builder tool. The first is the merge mode. The second is the extract mode. The third is the create mode, and the fourth is the erase mode. Starting with the merge mode. First, draw a circle. Then, hold Alt on your keyboard and then drag it to the right to make a copy of it. Select everything. Now select the Shape Builder tool. It's over here. The keyboard shortcut for the Shape Builder tool is Shift+M. So, press Shift+M on your keyboard and then drag over these shapes. Select the selection tool again by pressing V on your keyboard. So, this is your united shape. Now, onto the extract mode. Draw another circle. Press Alt on your keyboard and drag it to the right. Now select everything. And then, using the Shape Builder tool, click on the overlapping part of the circles. Select the selection tool again. Now, you can see that this has formed an independent shape. So, this is the use of the extract mode. To understand the create mode, first, draw a circle. Then press Alt on your keyboard and drag it to the right. Select both of them, press Alt on your keyboard, and then drag them down. Select everything. And then using the Shape Builder tool, click on this middle portion. Now, you can see that this is a new shape. Now, we will learn about the erase mode. First, draw a circle. To copy it, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it to the right. Select both of them, and then select the Shape Builder tool. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard, and drag over the parts which are not needed to erase them. Like this. Now, let's draw something cool using the Shape Builder tool. We will try to draw this figure. For that, first draw a circle. Hold Alt on your keyboard and then drag it towards the right. Select both of them, and then drag them down. Now select all of these shapes. Using the Shape Builder tool, create this shape. Now delete the remaining circles. This is the shape we want. Now make 4 copies of this shape. Like this. Then, using the Shape Builder tool, create these shapes. Select these 2 shapes, hold Ctrl on your keyboard, and then adjust the curvature of their anchor points using these little circles. If you don't know about them, you can watch my previous video by clicking the I button. So, what we just have to do now is that we have to drag this shape down a little bit. Okay, so this is the figure we wanted. I hope you have learned how to use the Shape Builder tool in Illustrator from this video. Tell me, which mode of the Shape Builder tool did you like the best, down in the comments below. We will be posting more short and easy to understand Illustrator tutorials in the near future. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And finally, thanks for watching.